When this campus in Littleton was built in 2016, sustainability was at the front of mind of the founders when they designed this place. Everything from native landscaping to sustainable equipment in the brew house, they really took into consideration and cared about the impact the brewery would be on the community around us. I realized our parking lot had a ton of EV cars and realized that was an opportunity to really give our consumers something that they needed. Was really excited that Excel decided to partner with us on this charger installation.
Clean transportation is part of Excel Energy's net zero vision. In order for customers to adopt and purchase EVs, we have to make it accessible and affordable and easy to use, and that's exactly what Breckenridge Brewery is doing here.
It's really nice to be able to come hang out with friends in the beer garden, get something to eat, and just know that when it's time to go home, our car is going to be charged and ready to go.
We know at Excel Energy that we cannot build a clean energy future alone. We need to work together with our communities and customers and businesses to get there.
We want to be leaders in the sustainability space, and installing these EV chargers is a really great way to show our commitment to the clean energy transition. We're not just brewing great beer, we're also brewing a sustainable future.